Something running. Everything up here is good now. Let's see if it's taking the water. Real quick to lighten it. Oh yeah. Go down a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna top that off. Woo! Gravity fill. Nice. As you can see, it's running. You can hear it. The fan's not on yet, but there's power at our fan controller. It's going to take a little bit because this radiator is massive, absolutely massive radiator. It's going to take a little bit to get to 160.
Dude, if I could fit one of those in my Mustang, I would have.
You should see the old cup car radiators. They're like that. But yeah, this thing's pretty wicked. But it's in the little vent down there. That's where I pulled it. You saw that previous clip. What fire is that one? That's a something water.
Move that kind of like that.
That's a new one too. Really new, but nasty. We got a nice one. Yeah, but it's nice. It's in there. It's easier to get to. Here we are. We're just gonna look at the temp. We're gonna see what happens if we're a little fan. And then I'll go for a little test drive. And so we're idling. Our water temp's 132 right now.